understand the needs for serving the Latino community. But most important, perhaps, is the future leadership for being able to make sure that we can sustain ourselves well into the future. And we've had the support, being able to support Latino students has been a major focus of the task force. And Marilena had the idea a number of years ago that we would raise money ourselves. We've gone out to foundations, we've gone out to organizations that have money. Some have supported us, and fundraising has been a big challenge. We decided we were going to raise the money ourselves by having an annual dinner. And we asked the School of Social Work to match whatever we took in. So to date, we've given out about $270,000 in scholarships to Latino students. We think that's a significant Just I'll be very frank with you. Each year we start anew, and with the challenges each year that seem unprecedented until you get to the next year, we've often wondered, how can we make this really continue? And yet somehow we forge forward, and that we have been able to sustain ourselves for 10 years. And the idea of this conference at the 10th anniversary of our coming together is to be able to make sure we have sustainability. And I really want to just take a moment to thank the planners of the conference, in addition to Maria Lane and myself, Dr. Elaine Congress from Fordham University, Dr. Dilcia Granville with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, Dr. Carmen Ortiz-Hendricks, the interim dean at Wurtzweiler School of Social Work, Jose Nazario, chairperson of the Coalition of Hispanic Family Services, Esteban Ramos, a scholarship recipient and the executive director of Fresh Youth Initiative, Dr. Andrea Savage, associate dean for academic affairs, Hunter College School of Social Work, and the organizer, the coordinator for this event, Dr. Yvonne Hervalou, director of grants for the Puerto Rican Family Institute. I want to ask all of you to stand up, if you will, and the members of the planning committee. Sorry, the members of the planning committee. We can all stand up. All the members of the task force to stand up. So, if you will, just for a moment, you're on the, please, thank you so much. There's more of you on the task force than all outstanding. So this has really been, I think, a relatively successful effort, and it is absolutely necessary. We're going to move into the program. This is an ambitious program. The planning committee had so many things that they want to be able to accomplish today, and then to pack it into the time that we had. We started off by saying maybe it should be a half-a-day conference. We said there's no way we could accomplish what we want to in half a day. We're going to end with a town hall so everybody gets an opportunity to be able to express what you see as the challenge and how we can move forward. And that is really the most important part of this day, to take what we're hearing from our participants and our panel members, and to be able to see how we're going to move forward. So to stay until the end, we really need to get together so we know where we're going when we leave this room. At this point, the conference has been organized into challenges, and certainly challenges is what we're facing. And challenge one is the social needs and issues confronting the Latino community. And we're very honored to have with us today Carmen Nazario, who is currently the United States representative on the Executive Board of the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, and assistant professor at the Inter-American University of the Puerto Rico School of Social Work. I just want to share with you a little background of Carmen Nazario. Carmen has devoted her professional career to public human services. She was born in Puerto Rico, where she attended the University of Puerto Rico and received her Bachelor of Arts with honors in sociology. She attended the Fordham University School of Social Service and received her MSW from the Virginia Commonwealth University in 1973. Carmen began her tenure in Washington, D.C. as Associate Commissioner of the Administration of Children, Youth, and Families. Later in 2009, she was appointed by President Obama as Assistant Secretary of the Department of Health and Human Services for Children's Services. As such, she led the largest repatriation effort in history, involving 4 states and over 27,000 Americans returning from Haiti after the massive earthquake in January of 2010. In January of 2011, President Obama appointed Mrs. Nazario U.S. Representative to the Executive Board of UNICEF. And later this month, Carmen Nazario will be awarded an honorary doctoral degree from Carlos Albizu University in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Currently, Carmen is a professor in the School of Social Work in the Inter-American University of Puerto Rico, which teaches social policy and coordinates the social work practicum. Carmen, would you join us up here, please?
What a challenge for all. Please don't let me